Hey guys, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how to download an awesome app. So right here it's a game. I usually do this on my app itself, the MetaQuest app that you guys can check out, but that's on your phone obviously, but I'm gonna teach you how to do it from here. So what you guys need to go is to go in your library. Under your library you're gonna go into apps. Under your apps, just scroll all the way down and you're gonna see get more apps. Then from here it's gonna drag you here. Now I'm showing you the long way just in case you don't have it down here below. Because as you guys can see, you do have the store right away, so you could go there, but some people delete it from there. So here we go. There it is. We're looking at this one, number 2. Five Nights at Freddy, number 2. So if you guys don't see it up here, don't worry about it. All you need to do is go into search up here and just type in Five Nights at Freddy's, and there you go. It should be the first thing that pops up just because a lot of people are looking into it right now. Before you could pre-order it, but right now you can actually go on and buy it. So, alright, so up here's the other one that I had from before. Now here's the one that I want. So just click on it and then right over click on the price. Then go on and continue. So here we go. We're gonna confirm our purchase. And if you guys have a discount code, go ahead and use it. Sometimes somebody has a promo code or somebody has a referral code, which you guys will be able to see in this video, in the description or in the comments. I'm gonna put the referral. It's just a link so you guys can get some money off this. You don't have to pay the total price. But anyways, I'm gonna click on confirm. And then here it's the refer a friend that I just told you about. So you guys can save 25% off. So that's a good thing. So I can click on share. But at this point we're kind of done with the video. We just did it. But you guys would be getting a link. So that's what you guys have to do. Right at this second, I'm not gonna share it here. I'm gonna share on YouTube obviously. So I just want to show you that. Now I can just go back. And here it says purchased. At this point in time, I can just look here as well. I'm gonna say downloading, because it should be downloading. And I can check that out in my library as well. So if I go back to library, I can take a look at installed. Although it's downloading at the moment, so it shouldn't be installed. We can take a look at just all and then just put recent. And then it's gonna be on the top here. So you guys can see it's installing at this point in time. And it's 9 gigs. So it's gonna take quite a bit of space. But as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.